In today's video, I'm going to teach you hidden Microsoft Word features that supercharge editing and productivity. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If you use Word every day, you probably rely on copy, paste, and basic navigation. Today, you'll learn a set of lesser-known tools that make long documents faster to edit and easier to polish. First up is the Spike, Word's advanced clipboard. Unlike the standard clipboard that holds only one item at a time, the Spike can collect multiple snippets from anywhere in your file. To add something to it, select text or a graphic and press Ctrl plus F3. The selection is cut from the page, which is normal, and you can immediately press undo if you need it back on the page. Your Spike still keeps the item. Continue gathering as many pieces as you need. When you're ready to paste everything, place your cursor where you want the collection to go, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus F3. Word pastes the items in the exact order you cut them, which is perfect for reorganizing notes or assembling a summary from scattered sections. When you need precise block edits, use vertical selection. Hold Alt and drag with your mouse to highlight a clean rectangle of text. This lets you edit columns, bullet labels, or prefixes without touching the rest of the lines. To jump around a long file, try the Go To feature. Press Ctrl plus G and choose what you want to navigate to: page, section, line number, comment, or footnote. Then type the number and go. It beats endless scrolling and helps you audit specific areas quickly. For freeform layouts, double-click any empty spot on a page to start typing there instantly. Word inserts the necessary paragraph breaks and aligns the cursor for you. Now, some productivity and review power-ups. In Microsoft 365 versions of Word, you can transcribe audio. Go to the Home tab, open the Dictate drop-down, and choose Transcribe. Upload your recording, and Word returns speaker-separated text with timestamps you can insert into your document. To check clarity, enable readability statistics under File, Options, Proofing. After a spelling and grammar check, Word displays scores like Flesch Kincaid grade level so you can tune your wording for your audience. When you need deep focus, switch on Focus Mode from the View tab. Toolbars fade away, leaving just your page. Move your mouse to the top or press ESC to bring controls back. Finally, to compare two versions, open the Review tab and select Compare. Word generates a new document showing insertions, deletions, and formatting differences so you can review changes with confidence. Try these tools in your next document, and you'll save time while improving quality. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.